everybody. Welcome back to 5 Easy Questions, where we break down the stock market for new investors. Today, I'm really excited. We're speaking with President and Director of NEXE Innovations, Ash Guglani. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks for having me. We
are going to just jump right into it. Question 1, what prompted you to start NEXE?
You know what? I came from the mining world. I actually used to be an investment analyst for a company in Canada, and obviously I was immersed in helping companies raise capital, analyze companies, and I was approached by this idea, and I just thought it was an amazing idea because I thought it was ahead of its time, really, because single serve coffee was still growing, K-Cup and Nespresso pod, and nobody was really thinking about the environment. And we've taken this from concept to commercialization in 6 years, and we're not just stopping at single serve coffee. The one thing I've realized going through this process is that's one avenue where we could be a disruptive force, but there's a lot of other products that we want to do once we nail and scale this side of the business to really push other industries where we know we could be of help.
Perfect. Wow, I'm so glad I just made fun of mining companies before we started this call.
That's okay. It worked out
well. Okay, question 2. What is the NEXE pod made of, and what sets it apart from competition?
You know what? It's made of plant-based materials, sugarcane, bamboo, PLA, which is a corn-based bioplastic, as well as some of our own other plant-based ingredients that we use. What sets it apart is we know it breaks down. We're not hiding behind a certification body. We've done independent studies to show it breaks down. And on top of that, the coffee tastes amazing in it. So not only have we created something that's great for the world, we have also put ourselves in a position where we've learned how to extract coffee, roast coffee perfectly, extract coffee using our technology, which gives us more grammage per pod. And we make a really good cup of coffee. It probably mimics more of a pour over than a drip. As that's my thoughts, and that's kind of what some of our customers have told us as well. So, yeah, great product, but even a really good cup of coffee as well. That's what differentiates us.
And just for the viewers who aren't familiar with your company, how, is it like a Nespresso setup? What does that look like?
Yeah, so both. We've got a fully compostable K-Cup, as well as a fully compostable Nespresso, a Nespresso compatible pod for their original line. So we've got a very flexible business model. We found that we could be disruptive in not just K-Cup, but both, really. Nespresso and Keurig, those are the two main single serve pods that are out there, and we're doing both of them, and we're going to scale both of them and become as disruptive as possible.
Awesome. Question 3. You've sort of answered this. Where can I use a NEXE pod, and how do I dispose of it?
Well, you could use it in your K-Cup machine as well as your Nespresso original line machine. You could dispose, depending where you are, you could dispose of it in your green bin, but there are a lot of roadside pickups for food waste, organics waste. You could put it in any of those systems and the pod will break down.
And just picturing, I have a little single serve Nespresso. When the pod drops down, because of what it's made of, is it stickier? Is it messier?
No, it holds well through the whole process. It's exactly the same thing as what you see with your Nespresso pod.
Just good for the environment.
Just
for better.
Great for the environment.
Okay, question 4. Tell me a little bit about Zoma superfoods.
Sure. So Zoma was an interesting spin. We saw as we were going through COVID. We noticed a lot more people are sitting at home drinking their coffee, and a lot more people are taking whatever their daily nutritional intake through coffee, whether it's an MCT, whether it's a keto coffee, turmeric's really big. So, we think that there's a big market for superfoods in a coffee pod. So It's something that's unique, and I think it's something that'll gain traction over time. And you will see some news on distribution on that end of our story, or on that end of our business as we grow that capacity.
Is there one of the superfoods that you find the most popular?
You know what? People like the keto cocoa. I'm a big fan of the turmeric latte. Yeah, it's going to be for this season, and it's getting cold now. It's perfect.
And my last of the 5 easy questions: where can I find your products, and how can I invest in the company?
We're publicly traded on the TSX Venture, as well as I think we're trading on the OTC as well for U.S. investors. Product nexecoffee.com, Zoma.ca as well. We also have we're on Amazon, and soon you'll be seeing us on retail shelves everywhere.
Perfect. I just have a really quick rapid fire round, and
Sure.
then that's all the time we have. Are you ready?
Okay. Yep.
Okay. These are the important questions now.
Sure.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
Drink coffee.
What's your favorite sport to watch?
Basketball.
What's your favorite sport to play?
Basketball.
Favorite book?
Elon Musk's autobiography.
Ooh. Cat or dog?
Dog.
Value investor or day trader?
Value investor.
Suit and tie or casual?
Casual.
If you had $1,000 to invest, what company would it be, not your own?
Ooh, I'm starting to get more into this whole metaverse world that's happening. Do I have any specific companies? No. There's also anything involved with pet cares, as I've seen through COVID now. Pets are becoming more important in people's lives. So anything to do with pets or the metaverse. But do I have any specific companies off the top of my head? No. I've just been too focused on mine.
Fair enough. Good answer. And last one, what was the last movie you watched?
Oh man, I don't know.
I can't even think of my own, honestly.
I'm watching Billions right now. That's a show.
There we go. That counts. Movie or TV.
Counts. Perfect.
Perfect. Awesome. Well, that is all the time we have. Thank you so much. And I can't wait to hear more about your company.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.